As you know, the WordPress has extraordinary variety of different plugins which can extend your website functionality a lot. So let's check how to install new plugins. When you're in the admin panel, just go to the plugin section through your left sidebar, and you will see the page with the list of all existing plugins here that can be deactivated anytime. Now go to the app and click Add New. You will be transferred to some kind of shop page with all featured, popular, recommended plugins. If you exactly know which plugin you want to install, or at least the keyword, try to search it. Here, I want to install the plugin which allows me to hide the website for some time and to make changes. The users will see on the construction page. Please come back soon. So here is my search results. I should notice the score of the plugin and the quantity of the reviews. And of course, the best score and the biggest quantity of reviews is the best option for you. Let's try this plugin. So my plugin under construction mode is already installed in the admin panel, and I need to activate it. If you want to read more information about your plugin before installation or even after, you can always click on the More Details page and check all the developer information, tutorials on how to install and how to use. It's mostly very useful information with convenient structure, FAQs, and even videos. So it's enough to master your skills in the understanding of the exact plugin. Now let's activate it. Perfect. You see that under construction plugin is already activated, and if I want to turn off my front end, I just need to click on, and that's it. My website is under construction mode, and if I want to put it back, I go here and return off mode. That's basically all. If I want to deactivate my under construction mode plugin, I will do it from here. You see, it disappeared from my admin panel dashboard. Thank you for your attention. Please check more videos on how to work with WordPress on our channel. Thank you.